Hello and welcome to a different kind of video. This time I'm not opening Hot Wheels, I'm opening other diecast brand. This is an RMZ City branded car and it's a Volkswagen Golf GTI 1 to, I'm gonna guess 1 to like 32 possibly or 36. So here it is being opened. And here it is. Right out of its box. Nice headlights, nice logo, nice back logos, and nice tires. Now for these I won't be doing shorts like I did for all these others. And if you spotted these two in the background, yes, I have two others. BMW Z4, which people say it's the Supra, like the Supra copied this car, the newest Supra. And a red Porsche. Now as you can see, it's a 911 Turbo. Oh, these are nice. I paid like $5 for them. And yeah, let me know in the comments. Have you ever seen RMZ City in your grocery store? And that's it for this video. See you next time. Oh, wait a minute. I can't finish the video yet. I have two mini models. 1 to 64 scale. Corvette. And a McLaren 600 LT. All of these are by the same manufacturer. I've got a little collection going. If I go back to the store, I'm definitely picking up, like, they have a lot of cool cars. They have Porsches, Lamborghinis, McLaren, and other diecast cars. No fantasy cars like Hot Wheels has. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe.